David Hussman, tons of people in the industry actually call me Dude. I own a company called DevJam in Twin Cities, and we do coaching, teaching, and contract development for companies in the United States and around the world. I got introduced to VersionOne. Well, I met Robert, the CEO of VersionOne, a very long time ago at one of the first Agile conferences, and he was just kind of wandering around the hallways, really trying to gather information from people, trying to understand our experiences. So that kind of converted me right away, because I think companies exude the essence of their creator. Then I started using VersionOne because I started doing what now is called scaled Agile stuff in 2002. And I started working with product managers that could speak stories faster than I could write them on a Post-it note or something. And it might sound really simple, but I discovered this little OK new feature in VersionOne. And so when I started getting people speaking in nice, discrete stories, I could capture their stories as fast as those product owners would say them. In fact, sometimes I wouldn't even tell them to tell me a story. I would just let them start talking and just start capturing verb-noun combinations. The other thing fundamentally is that VersionOne is like one of the only tools that allows you to answer complex questions, like when you have a thing that's being built by multiple teams, how are you doing with each team within a sprint, for instance? How are you doing with all teams across sprints? And then being able to roll it up to the dimension to say not just quantity but quality. VersionOne's dashboard nicely shows trends, burn down velocity, or side by side with tests. On sort of a selfish note, I also feel like if you go to the company, the people there are trying to actually use these processes, and that would be tragically ironic if VersionOne didn't really try to work in a collaborative nature, so that further sells me on it.